Doctor, it must be a bit of a maddening time to be in the public health business because we have two equal and opposite camps in our country who view their patriotic duty exactly opposite from one another. Some folks believe that staying out of circulation and staying home is their patriotic duty. Other folks believe it's the opposite, that only by getting out can they fulfill their patriotic duty. Do you think, Doctor, Americans are within their rights for feeling these days pretty much like they're on their own and hoping common sense will prevail?
Well, Brian, let me just start by commenting on Dr. Fauci's position and the conversation you just had. Dr. Fauci hasn't just been a leader leading this country through multiple outbreaks over the last decades, but he's also been an inspiration for generations of infectious diseases physicians, my entire profession, with his steady hand and his wisdom, which is really what we need in this situation. Because going back to your point, I think it's become a false dichotomy. What public health officials have always said is, we know that there needs to be some sort of modified reopening at some point before the vaccine is available, but because we can't stay indoors. But what we need is this balance where we work through what the measures are that need to be in place, and those have been outlined. And what you're hearing from Dr. Fauci in terms of the caution of not opening too soon and taking this in a stepwise measure is actually exactly what all other public health folks are saying. Today, Dr. Mike Ryan, the WHO Director for Emergencies, said the same thing. He said we don't want to be caught in a vicious cycle where we go from a health crisis to an economic crisis, where we open up too fast and then, we see a lot of cases and we close up again. And all this money that we're putting in the stimulus is for naught because we close up because we have another health crisis. And that's why that thoughtfulness and the leadership that we see from Dr. Fauci is so important at this time.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.